Here is the question number 3 of exercise number 8.1 and chapter is comparing quantity. And question number 3 is given that 72% of 25 students are interested in the subject mathematics. Then question says that how many students are not interested in the mathematics. So first of all you will write here total number of students equal to 25, number of student, that is percentage of interested student is 72%, and requirement number of student not interested in the subject of mathematics. So how can you find? You can find very easily in two ways. First one, you will find the 72% of 25, then you subtract from the total number of students of required result, and then second method is directly you can find here total percent means out of 100. So 100 minus 72%, 100% minus 72%, you will get the number of student in the percentage. So two ways, तो दोनों बेस से आपको बताते हैं. फर्स्ट केस, फर्स्ट वे, yes, 72% of 25. Percent means there you know that 1 by 100. So this is written as 72 by 100, and of means into 25 you will write same to same. And after that you know a table number 25. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, and again 4 1 ja 4, and 4 1 ja 4 remaining is 3, 32, 4 8 ja 32 means 18. Here you will get the 18 means 18 students are interesting into the subject of mathematics out of 25. 18 students are interested in the subject of mathematics out of 25. So how many students are not interested? Number of students not interested equal to total students were 25 and 18 was interested. So you subtract these, what you will get? 7. 7 students are not interested in the subject of mathematics. Second way, दूसरे तरीके से भी आप पता कर सकते हो. सेकंड वे, यस, 72% of students are interested and total percent is 100. तो आप लिखोगे students not interested, students not interested equal to 100. total percentage is 100 in all the way. हमेशा 100% होता है. परसेंट का मतलब हम पर 100 किसी भी चीज़ को काउंट करते हैं तो 100% कोई चीज़ होती है. उसमें से 72% आपके यहाँ दिए हैं वो इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट हैं. तो हमने लिखा नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. बताओ 100 में से 72 नॉट इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो कितने, 72 इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कितने होंगे? 100 में से इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट को माइनस कर दो, दैट इज 100 माइनस 72. व्हाट यू विल गेट? 28% स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. अब 28% किसका? out of 25%. Therefore, number of students not interested equal to 28% of 25 का 28% फाइंड कर लीजिए। तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है दोस्तों? यस, यू विल गेट हियर 28% मीन्स 1/100 and of means into 25 is right to same to same 25 1 ja 25 25 4 ja 100. Now you will get 28/4 4 1 ja 4 4 7 ja 28. So you will get again the 7 students are not interested into the subject of mathematics. तो यहाँ पे दो तरीके से आप इसे फाइंड कर सकते हो। आइदर डायरेक्ट आप यहाँ निकालो 72% और 25 18 आ गया। ये 18 स्टूडेंट कौन से हैं? इंटरेस्टेड हैं। तो फिर 25 टोटल थे, 25 में से 28 इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो फिर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कितने हो जाएंगे? 25 माइनस 18 दैट इज 7। दूसरे तरीके से आप फाइंड कर सकते हो कि टोटल परसेंटेज आपको दिया था 72 इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कितने हो जाएंगे? 100 माइनस 72 28 आ गया। 28% आया है। अब परसेंट का आप नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, तो कितने? 25 का 28 फाइंड कर लीजिए। 25 का 28%, तो यह हो जाएगा 28% ऑफ 25 दैट इज अगेन 7। तो ये दो तरीके से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played, but here is you not know how many total number of matches. Question says that if the win percent was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So first of all you will write let all the matches equal to x. Total matches they played equal to x. Number of won matches equal to 10, it is given. Percentage of won matches, it is given 40. According to the condition of this question, you can write 40% of total matches how much? X. This is given that 10. 40% of total matches, it is given that 10. But percent you can write just into the form of 1/100. Okay. So you can write this as 40/100 and of means into x equal to 10. Now you can cancel this 0 to 0 in numerator and denominator both. So 0 is cancelled out. You will get 4/10 equal into x equal to 10. Now transpose this 10 to right hand side. This 10 is just into the denominator. So if you transpose this 10 to right hand side, so what you will get? Into, if this you will get into the denominator, then after transposing you will get just into the numerator. Okay, so you will write it 4x equal to 10 into 10, and after that transpose this 4 once again to right hand side. So this 4 is just into the multiplication, that is into the numerator. So this 4 goes to the denominator in right hand side, means x equal to 100 into 100, sorry 10 into 10 divided by 4. Can you cancel it? Yes, you can cancel it. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, and again 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 5 into 5, can you say how much? 5 into 5 equal to 25. Yes, here So there are 25 matches were played in that football game. उसने पूछा था कि कितने मैचेस खेले गए, तो आपका आंसर क्या आ गया 25, और 25 में से 10 मैचेस विन हो गए। ठीक है, तो अगर यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन आपसे और पूछ दिया जाता, हाउ मेनी मैचेस दे डिफीट, हाउ मेनी मैचेस दे नॉट वॉन, तो आंसर क्या होता? 10 जीत गए, 25 मैचेस थे, तो कितने हार गए? बोलो 15. Yes, obviously you can say that 25 minus 10, that is 15. So 15 is the answer. Okay, so this is the question.